Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Sagittarius sa June 11, 2025 at 3:43 p.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so for you Capricorn, itong full moon in Sagittarius is happening in your 12th house of your subconscious mind. Okay, so especially mga Capricorn rising, okay, Capricorn ascendant, kumusta kayo? Kasi oh my god, it's been hindi ko masabi yung word, but it's been crazy, 'di ba? Kumbaga isipin mo, kailan mo matatapos tong problema? Parang, hindi ka na makaahon, hindi ka na makarecover, maya't maya merong issue, or kung hindi naman, parang ang feeling mo stuck ka na, walang nangyayari, walang bagong ganap, diba? This is the time for you to release something that is limiting you. Yung mga bagay na naglilimita sa'yo. Kasi mga Capricorn, very logical din yan mag-isip, practical mag-isip. Kaya kapag may mga bagay na parang feeling nila suntok sa buwan or mahirap gawin, iniisip talaga nila mahirap yun gawin. Okay? So, add a little spice, add a little imagination and manifestation, and believe that anything you want, you can manifest. Okay? Kasi nga masyadong practical, masyadong focus lang sa kung ano ang achievable dito sa 3D world. But maraming mga bagay na magical sa buhay na you can tune into that energy ngayon, Capricorn, which is for you to release anything na naglilimit na sa'yo. Yung tinatawag nilang self-limiting beliefs. Okay? Kasi maaring you feel like hindi mo kayang gawin ng isang bagay dahil naghahanap ka ng dahilan para hindi mo magawa yon. But actually, meron kang magagawa. And I see you na realizing this. Nagkakaroon ka ng spiritual awakening. You are realizing na marami ka palang pangarap sa buhay, marami ka palang gustong ma-achieve sa buhay, and you need to work on that. Okay? Na yes, ikaw ay practical, but at the same time, meron ding ibang paraan na parang ibang method para ma-achieve yung goals and dreams mo. Hindi lang yung parang pahihirapan mo yung sarili mo para doon. 'Di ba? Example yung pag akyat sa bundok, 'di ba? Parang ang hirap nung ginawa kong tawag nito? Example. Or pagpunta sa ibang lugar, like for example sa province, ayan. Merong iba't ibang pamamaraan para pumunta doon, 'di ba? Let's say by land, by water, or by air. So, tingnan mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin or gamitin na pamamaraan or method na naaangkop sa kakayanan mo. At hindi porket akala mo yun lang yung kaya mo, yun lang yung gagawin mo. Kasi kailangan subukan mo rin i-push mo rin yung sarili mo to your limit na baka kaya ko tong gawin, 'di ba? Hindi yung nakagawian mo na. Kasi I see that you are transforming. There is something na may magbabago for you ngayong full moon in Sagittarius. It's like you are releasing your limit. Para paulit-ulit ako dun sa limitations na yun. Kasi maaring yan yung nagiging dahilan para hindi ka makamove forward or para hindi mo makuha yung mga gusto mo. So, stop limiting yourself kasi marami ka pang kayang gawin. And you're about to transform your life during this period. At iwasan mo rin yung pagsi-self-pity yung pag-overthink ng maraming bagay. Kasi yun lang yung yun yung pumipigil sa'yo para ma-manifest mo yung goals mo. What is the energy of the 12th house? What is the energy of the 12th house? You have the 9 of Wands and, tinan mo, the Hermit. 9 of Wands is about pagtitiis sa isang sitwasyon na akala mo kapag pinagpatuloy mo ay makakabuti sa'yo. Kaya lang kung sa tingin mo hindi ka na masaya sa sitwasyon na yan, bakit pahihirapan mo yung sarili mo? 'Di ba? It's time to break free. O, 'di ba? Alam niyo yung kanta na I want to break free. Ayun. With the Hermit, marami kang reflection, self-reflection, realization. Yung iba sa inyo, madalas kayong mag-isip ng malalim. Na parang, ano ba ang pagkukulang ko? Ano bang dapat kong gawin? Bakit ganito? Bakit hindi ko na nakukuha yung gusto ko? Bakit ang hirap? Ganon. You have the Emperor. What is the energy of the 6th house? And the 8 of Wands. You have to own it. Kumbaga, take responsibility for your dreams, for your goals. Ano ba yung gusto mo? 'Di ba? And also, kailangan mo rin na mag-take ng risks. Kasi minsan, you become parang masyadong maingat ka to the point na hindi ka na nagte-take ng risk. And maraming mga naging successful na tao dahil nag-take sila ng risks. So, it's time for you to take that action. Be that person na alam mong maaasahan mo. Kasi the Emperor is Aries energy. Aries is about action. Aries is about initiating things. Anything that you are passionate about, i-pursue mo yan. 'Di ba sa una, mahirap, oo. Pero kung talagang gusto mo yan, it will just come naturally sa'yo, yung mga blessings nung passion mo na yan. What is the 8th house? Oh my God. Capricorn, you are stepping into your own power. 8th house is about transformation, endings, new beginnings. You are about to change your game. Meron kang bagong game plan ngayon. Ikaw ay nagsa-strategize kung ano yung mga pagbabago na gagawin mo. And I see you having a lot of inspiration around you. Na yan yung parang magbibigay sa'yo ng push to explore other opportunities. Oh my God. Go wild. Go wild. 'Di ba? It's time to take that action. Leo energy, tapos nandito rin yung transformation nyo sa Leo energy. The answers you need are coming. Yes, this is the answer na kailangan mong malaman ngayon, Capricorn. 'Di ba? Ito na yon. Now you have to make that decision, take that action. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.